Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss the best sachet mockup you can use for anything you want. So please watch this video till the end, and after knowing its full features, you can then decide whether to choose this mockup design for your brand or not. You can download the PSD file and edit it. The download link is given in the description. Here are some of its features you should know. Zip Sachet Mockup. Front view layered, editable PSD file prepared to showcase your custom design by simply editing the smart object in color layers. To showcase your design to a client or design your portfolio. Min Photoshop V21 2020. Realistic mockup high-quality PSD files work only in Photoshop file specs. 4500 x 3375px realistic even with a close-up changeable colors, gradients, full range, and design, via smart objects, all in layers, product, branding, highlights, shadows. The sample design is not included in the download file.